Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Better yet, welcome to day 17, guys, of this Madam Glam Advent Calendar. Yes, let me see if I can show you a Christmas hat reflection. Can y'all see it? Anyway, don't worry about that. The camera angle's different. Let me just say that it's been an amazing day. But, oh my gosh, I'm exhausted, guys. I've been going live. I wasn't able to go live today. I am literally filming right now. Today, Saturday, I am filming. And I don't want to ruin it because it's day 17. It's the 17th of December today. So we need to unbox day 17. So it's not going to be a long video. I have a nail ready to use whatever I get from day 17 on. So we're gonna open the box. Yes, and if I give you this bird's eye view, you can see there is number 17. Now let's see what's gonna be inside the box. Okay, we know this shape means tool. Yes, so let's get into this. What did we get? Oh, it's a dotting tool, guys. Awesome. Yes, a dotting tool. We're living for that. Oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. Now, I do already have one in use, so I will show you that one, and we will go ahead and use that dotting tool. It's exactly the same, so it's not like there's any difference, meaning, you know, not using that one does not make the difference. So this is what she looks like. I love this dotting tool. I didn't even think that there were levels to it. I know that sounds really crazy, but I really didn't. All right, I'm just gonna put that down there. Let's get some kitchen roll and just put that there. Yesterday I was playing with some stamping, guys, just quickly, and oh my goodness, look at that stamping. I've really been practicing, guys. I've been practicing. Okay, so this is the nail that I have got ready. And we want to do some snowflakes on her because we've got the dotting tool, so why not? I'm going to use the Madam Glam. Oops. Always forget that sometimes that bottom pot can do that. And let me just wipe my hands. Okay, so I have some base coat there. I am going to put a little bit of this gel paint down on here. I'm just going to wipe that off. I've got the detail liner, so we're going to use that. So this is just some of those, you know, little glitter pieces. That's what we did. I've seen a few posts just doing something so simple and then doing the snowflake on top of it. So that's what we're gonna do. So this will be the center. Now the good thing is the Madam Glam gel paint does not need top coat. No, it doesn't. It doesn't need top coat. Just put that on there. On there, put one there. Maybe we can do another one. So put one there. Basically, you know what? Maybe I will flash it because I don't really want any issues. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Day 17. Yes, I do like this this detail liner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it like that. Something there. And then over here. Yep, that's absolutely fine. Just bring this down a bit. So we're going to use the dotting tool again. I'm just going to put a dot there, put a dot there. And there, there. There we are. Okay. I just want to put a few dots down here. I'm gonna do a 10-second cure. No, actually, let me do 60, only because I don't want it to freaking crinkle. So I've drawn the dots on it, focus, and you already know how to do this. Why does that dot just look out of place? Oh my goodness. Okay, because that dot was not looking like the dot I remembered placing down. Oh my gosh, did I just freak that up? Alright, hold on. Okay, I totally changed it, right? I don't know, I did it white, and in those little glitters I feel like I can see like a pink tone, so I was like, you know what, we'll do a pink one. Yes, let's do a pink one. You can have a pink Christmas, can't you? Right. Honestly, I've had a mad day today, yo. It's been crazy. But hesitation. You know what? The snowflakes never have to be perfect. Alright? And I'm not just saying that. I hear everyone say that. The snowflakes do not have to be perfect. Don't have to tell me twice. So this is basically going to be it for day 17. We have used that dotting tool. We've done lots of dots, right? Yes, we have. And I put a few, you know, pink dots around just to, but something's saying to me to sugar that pink one. Something is saying that to me. So the question is, do we sugar in pink or do we sugar in white? And what I can tell you is if I do the white, you'll still see the pink underneath, but if I do the pink, you won't see that pink. So we'll do the white glitter because we want to emphasize that it's snowing. And what I'm doing right now is looking for a cupcake. There it is. So we've got our unicorn cupcakes. This thing blows out, so I don't want to do that today. So I'm gonna open the white one over here because I can pour it out. There's like a hole there, and better yet, I can even just do that and just see if I can get this out. And push it in. Okay, so I've got the sprinkler, so we will sprinkle this onto the pink. I mean, it does feel like it's taking longer, but what I noticed with the other one is that it blows out. Okay, so I've got a little bit in there. I can just sprinkle that on like that. Go back in again. Just make sure. Yep, that's covered. All right, we're gonna go inside the lamp. I'm gonna do a full 60. So before I forget, the color I used for the base is Honest Sky by Madam Glam. I love this blue. And we can't forget the Yankee unboxing. So day 17 is right there. Let's see. And what do you think of this dotting tool? I mean, I love it. Oh, so we have another pink one. That's what's up. Oh my goodness. This smells like something tropical, something exotic, but like with vanilla tones. Yes, I'm loving this. This is awesome. 17. So that was our Yankee candle, and that's my phone ringing. So yeah, I just had to stop that. I will answer that afterwards. So here we are. I have, ooh, wait, where's my brush? Okay, just gonna brush off all the extra glitter. So that's nice. So I like that. And we have like our white snowflake there. I mean, if we want to just, you know, we can put a rhinestone. Okay, I looked at it again and I just thought, if I put the rhinestone there, then it's going to take away from the beauty of the, you know, the subtle glitter on the bottom. And as you can see, that pink one, you can still see the pink, but we have sugared it. So the dotting tool definitely is absolutely awesome from Madam Glam. All their tools are absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't tried any, definitely do. And you can make use of the 30% discount codes going across the screen, and I will leave them in the description box. I thank you all for joining me today on day 17. I do hope that you'll join me tomorrow when I unbox day 18 and we see what wonderful gift Madam Glam have in store for us. But for today, day 17, me, Mama Does Nails, I'm out, y'all. I'm going to chill, have a nice glass of red wine, and catch up on Criminal Minds. So in the comments, let me know what you're doing when you finish watching this video. Yes, Mama Does Nails is out. I love y'all. Isn't this nails just so cute? Pink snowflake, yes.